So I'm at Lake Mead Overlook, and we're going to have a look at this spectacular area here. So check that out. It just looks awesome. Let's zoom in on the boats there for you. They look absolutely brilliant as well.
We definitely do it. Wait till we get the house to see what we have and what we don't.
So it's just an absolute remarkable area. We've got all this black rock. We're in Black Rock Canyon, and we've got this beautiful, beautiful overlook. Look how the lake's actually down. You can see the white tide mark on all the rocks sticking up.
This is quite interesting. Far left photo, taken 1935. Colorado River flows southward. Bold Hill stretch western photo. One on the left is moving off the tour. That's where the Colorado is. The Boulder Dam project created Lake Mead in 1935. What the Colorado River? That's not really true. The water's up 110 miles.
So we're having a look here now, and this is Hoover Dam, and what an absolutely fantastic view I've got of Hoover Dam there. It looks absolutely out of this world. You can see all the intake towers, and you can actually see how low the water is. I can remember it when it was nearly up to the top of the towers years and years ago. So yeah, spectacular view there of Hoover Dam. We've got a beautiful area here of Hoover Dam. We've got like tables across there where you can go and look. They've got a shop, Hoover Dam Lookout. Daryl's just been in there. And there's our beautiful motor here at Hoover Dam. Fantastic. Let's have another look at it here. Look how big the rocks are there on this area.
Sandstone quarry.
Sandstone quarry, that is. So there's just loads and loads of different places you can pull over and just take a look at this magnificent area. There must be a lot of desert wildlife, tortoises and everything like that here. So what we can go over here now is a bridge they actually made. So at one time you used to go up and down here, but it used to flood. So they've made there like a bridge over the creek, and that creek comes to life if they get any heavy rain, and all the heavy rain comes pouring out of this mountain area. So we're 3 miles in now. So we've got another 10 miles to go. So again, we are looking on mile mark 10. So we're 10 miles in. We've got about another 3 to go, but it's still absolutely spectacular when you look at the scenery we've got there. It's beautiful. So we've made it back to Lake Mead and our table, and there's the car. I'll do a bit more filming when this other car's gone in a second. They've just pulled up there. I'm just going have a quick look around here now and just see what it says on this notice board here. Further on about there on that side, desert tortoises. Let's have a look what it says there. It just says about hiking and everything on that one here at Lake Mead. And does it say anything on this side? It just gives you a map of the area. Look at this tree. It's been here for years and years, that has. And here we've got our car, Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. It's black, and it really is a nice motor. And I'll just go and look that way, and that's our picnic table, which we always go to. And Daryl is just chilled out there and relaxing. So let's go and just have a quick look around this amazing area here. It's quiet here today. We've had one car that actually stopped while we've been here, and the other car that just drove around. So we have done okay. Let's walk down to this other table here, and we'll have a look there at the view of the lake. It's really warm here. It's not as warm as it normally has been, but yeah, I can say it's warm. Years ago when we were here, the lake used to go a lot more to the left, but obviously that's dried out a lot now, so Lake Mead has gone a lot smaller than it used to be. So we've got in total 1, 2, 3 tables on this site. So let's go have a look at this table here. Never normally picnic here, but again, this is quite a nice table. You've got a good view of Lake Mead, and like on our table, you've got another barbecue there, so you can barbecue if you wanted to. And we'll pan round this way, and if I zoom in there, you can see the table we're sitting at, and you can see our car. Really nice. So let's have a walk to the third table, which is just up here. There's trash bins everywhere, so when you've done your picnic, you can put all your trash straight in the bin. More of these desert trees. Look at the rock in the ground. There's just pieces of rock and boulders absolutely everywhere here. So this is a table, really, this one I'm coming to here, that we don't really go to very often. In fact, I can't ever remember walking to this table and having a look at it, so this could be a first. Let's carry on and walk and have a look. More of these nice trees here. Very quiet, there isn't even much traffic on the actual main road there today for some reason. So here we go. Here's the next picnic table. It looks good. Table, barbecue, and plenty of rocks if you wanted to build the rocks out here. And again, look at the view of Lake Mead there. It's absolutely spectacular. I'll turn around there, and straight across is where we've got the car parked. So look at all the ground again here. It's amazing. All the rocks, all the stones, are all there. So peaceful here as well. So let's just have a look at the rocks here. All different colours. We've got black, we've got brown, we've got white. So yeah. And look at that little tree just growing in the middle of them all there. So let's start heading back to the car, which is across the other side here. It's so warm. There's plenty of places to actually park here, but I've never, you know, in all the years I've come, never seen more than probably 3 or 4 cars here at a time. So you've got the toilets there as well. So we've got some toilets there. And like I say, there's our car. And it's got the signs and all the writing on it. It does look really, really good. Look at the trees there. They look amazing as well. So let's go back to the car and have a look at the car. Car's really, really nice. Like I say, it is a Chrysler Pacifica. Again, just look at the rock here. It just looks like they've just fell off and just tumbled on top of each other. It's absolutely spectacular. That's the only words really I can use for how beautiful it actually is here. So like I say, you could spend all day, well I certainly could, bring something to eat. You've even got toilet facilities there, so you'd be well okay. Bring your food, set up a beautiful picnic, and it's quite peaceful. I don't know whether it will get any busier because we are quite early. It's only 9:30 in the morning. So I'd imagine probably later on in the day we will get a little bit busier. But it's absolutely fabulous. Would you have a picnic here?
I love a picnic here. I think we have done with Stephen Doran, haven't we?
Did we? I can't remember. Showing where we actually are, and it does say we are at the Seven Sisters. And let's just go take a look now and see what we can see here. We'll just walk in a second to the beautiful picnic tables there. So this Chrysler Pacifica we've got, it was registered in July. It's only got just over 1,000 miles on it when we picked it up. And it's hybrid. And it does look absolutely amazing. We're running it just off gas at the moment because we haven't charged it. And that's what we're probably going to keep doing all holiday. So let's just go now and have a look down here now at this beautiful area. We've got loads and loads of picnic tables here, and they're all under cover and in the shade. So you could bring a picnic here, even though it's absolutely scorching hot, and eat it in the shade under this beautiful shaded picnic area. They've even got barbecues there for you, so you could bring some meat and some barbecue coals and have a wonderful, wonderful barbecue. So yeah, it's a really, really nice place. So again here, it's just absolutely stunning, stunning scenery for you. Just look across into the desert. You just wonder how anything really can survive here, don't you, when you think? It's now 93. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, and today we're probably going to get up to well over the 100-degree mark. And some days it probably goes 110 to 120. So yeah, how does things survive? How do the trees survive? I certainly wouldn't like to think I could. You'd certainly need some water, and you'd have to find shade and probably just lie in it for hours and hours while the sun beated down on you. And another thing, you think here now we're in the middle of absolutely nowhere. When it goes dark, how black would it actually be here? You wouldn't be able to see a foot in front of you until it started coming light again the following day. So just some thoughts you can have there. And I think this now is Elephant Rock, which we're probably going to stop at and have a quick look before we head out to the park.